everyone, welcome to today's video. Last time I did a time lapse, I made Winnie the Pooh, and well, I didn't want him to be lonely for too long, so I'm making Piglet today. When I was younger, Piglet was my favorite character in the 100 Acre Wood. I'm not sure if that would remain the case nowadays, because I am intrigued by Tigger and Eeyore. But when I was younger, I definitely identified a lot with Piglet. Piglet had a lot of fears, but he worked through them. Lots of the people around Piglet were bigger than he was. I mean, I am an average size now, but I am the youngest. So there was a period of time where I was the smallest person in my family unit. And Piglet's very kind. Piglet is such a kind individual. Even with Piglet's fears, Piglet is just such an adorable character. So I'm very excited to be making Piglet today. Piglet. The good news is Piglet looks like he matches my version of Pooh. So even though I did make a mistake with sewing the arms, they should have been a little bit lower, but it's all good. Piglet had a lot of sewing. It went a lot easier than I was expecting it to go. They want me to do felt for the eyes, but it's like if I had to sew this anyway, I ended up just sewing a little bit for the eyes. I ended up using a technique on Piglet that I used on a lot of the smaller frogs I've been making lately, and it's not perfect, but it's good enough. And this was perhaps the quickest time lapse I have done so far. It literally took me less than 2 hours just to make this, which, wow. The colors are slightly off, but I possibly should have used that for this here. But these were the 3 types of pinks that I had that were the same width. I do have like 2 other types of pinks, but they would have been harder to work with, so. But, like, you can look at this and tell it's Piglet, so I still succeeded, in my opinion. And there are parts where it wanted me to lightly stuff, but there wasn't much room to stuff, so fortunately, whenever you do like a magic circle, there tends to be like a little bit extra because that's how you get the yarn tighter. And I was able to just use that as the stuffing instead of cutting it out, which worked really well. But yeah, I'm very happy with Piglet. And now he and Pooh can go talk to each other and spend some time together, and I'm super excited for that. That was today's entertainment. Have a nice day.